In today's competitive business world, financial leaders need more than just spreadsheets. They need real-time, visual insights to make quick and confident decisions. That's where Power BI steps in. It turns raw financial data into interactive dashboards that drive strategic outcomes. For example, let's take a look at this CFO income statement dashboard. At the top, we see key metrics. Revenue is $43.34 million. A gross profit is $15.64 million, giving us a gross profit percent of 36.08%. But net profit is only $0.33 million, a net profit percent of just 0.77%, marked in red as a warning. COGS totals $27.71 million. The KPI funnel gives a clear breakdown, starting from revenue, showing how costs and expenses reduce it down to a slim net profit. It quickly highlights the pressure points. On the right, the actual versus budget chart compares performance month over month. We instantly spot highs in February and dips between March and May, helping teams adjust strategy. Filters on the left let users drill down by entity, year, or month for even deeper insights. This is how Power BI enables CFOs to move from data overload to clear, actionable insights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.